Listen,
still not done.
A date night and girls' night out is way more fashion forward now with a new class called Sip and Sew. Okay, Sip and Sew is an experience. You can make magic with a needle and thread and have some libations to boot.
The adults-only workshop was created by Project Runway star Layana Aguilar and worked for big brands like Oscar de la Renta and Disney. But she says her real passion lies in helping everyday people revamp their style.
Would you let me revamp your jacket? What is your name?
Amanda.
So what is your favorite color?
Black, beige, brown.
Who is your fashion icon?
Hailey Bieber.
What is your favorite fashion era?
The 70s.
So can you meet me back here in 3 days? You're back here in Times Square with Amanda. Are you excited to see your new jacket?
Yes, super.
The time has come for you to see your new jacket. Open your eyes.
I'm speechless. It feels so fancy.
What?
Okay.
Why didn't I bring my jacket?
Well,
Here to, no te pone tú. Here to tell us more about her Sip and Sew workshops and how to revamp our style is Layana Aguilar. Welcome to New York Living.
Thank you. I'm so glad to be here.
This is wonderful. You are doing such fantastic work. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we just like barely scratched the surface.
Correct.
With your resume. How did you go from Brazil, Project Runway, Sip and Sew, changing people's lives on the street?
I think I've always been a fashion designer since birth. I was, as soon as I could walk and talk, I was ripping my mom's clothes, and my grandma taught me how to sew.
Right.
So that's where the love for sewing comes. And I understood as a superpower because I built a life that I always wanted to live because of this gift. And I realized that it's dying. It's actually a skill that it's skipping many generations, and I wanted to give it back. I wanted to bring it back and nurture the creatives of the future.
When you say it's a dying thing, meaning the actual sewing machine and actual sew, I don't know how to sew. And my mom and my grandmother, I'm sure that they had these sewing machines.
No, not only the sewing machines, but by hand, the techniques and everything else. Like
all of the grandmas know how to sew.
Okay.
Exactly.
Since we have you here and since you brought your sewing machine, can you show us what someone can expect if they go to Sip and Sew?
Yeah, so because the adults got jealous of all the fun that the kids were having, so we decided to create Sip and Sew, where you can create your own tote bag or pillow, because I wanted to make it very beginner friendly, and it's very easy to sew straight lines, and you can really customize. And what's very important is that I love sustainability, so all of the fabrics are donated to us by Upholstery Showroom.
Great.
So they're very high-end fabrics, everything, even the trims, it's donated to us, so we try to really repurpose all of the material.
So I would assume you have to sew first, because if you sit before the sewing may end up a little cockeyed.
Yes. And of course we have all the amazing teachers there to guide you. Once if we realize, you're starting to get a little too then they'll be like,
you bring us back to center.
Yes. They'll hold your hand.
Okay, so what do we do? How do we do? Nelson, you wanna?
Let's do it.
Give it a whirl.
And I heard your favorite color is yellow and yours is green, so I made this special tote bag for
Thank
you.
you.
And this is actually your pillow, and this will be Nelson's pillow.
Dale tú, Nelson.
That's your pillow. You want to make your pillow? No, you
Maybe you can make each other's pillow.
Make my pillow.
How sweet would that be? So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the sewing machine, and you see a light goes on. And this is the pedal.
I was going to say, where's the foot part?
The pedal,
I know there's a foot part to the sewing machine.
So that's how you control. All the power now is on your foot.
Okay.
This is how you're going to make the machine go and stop. You take your foot down. I'm going to lower the speed because I'm assuming you are a beginner. Okay. And you're just going to try to sew a straight line.
Okay.
And it's your first time, so please don't be so hard on yourself. It's very hard
You're
to
talking to a professional athlete. He only knows how to be hard.
The gas pedal is here.
The gas pedal is here.
Dale.
You're going to try to stay on this line, and then you have to, after 3 seconds, you're going to hold this button to reverse it because we have to lock the first stitch.
Ping, y ping. Dale.
So how far am I going here?
As far as your foot will take you.
So I'm going to the right.
Press the pedal, no fear. Go for it.
I got a fear.
Yes, there you go. No, let it go that way, yes.
Yeah.
The fabric will automatically move forward. Yes, exactly.
I'm going to the right. I saw the line. I thought I had to follow the line.
I love it.
And I haven't had anything to drink yet.
Could you imagine?
Unbelievable. Imagínate.
Yes, good job. And now we're going to hold this one to go back.
You're doing a great job.
Yes. Okay, now keep going. You got this.
This is fantastic. You continue sewing my pillow. Thank you, Layana. This is fantastic. We're going to finish this in the break. You at home, if you want more information on classes, check out Layana's socials. All the information is on your screen.
Look at me.
I am very impressed.
I'm a seamstress.
Very, very impressed. There's all
No,
the
reverse.
information.